What is a fraction? The dictionary definition is that a fraction is a mathematical expression representing a comparison by division. Some examples include 1/2, -7/9, 21/12, and 0/5. The mathematical definition of a fraction states that for non-zero b, the fraction a over b equals the number c, provided that a equals b times c. So 6/2 equals 3 because 6 is 2 times 3. 1/7 equal x means that 1 equals 7 times x. In the fraction a over b, a is called the numerator and b is called the denominator. A fraction is simplified, or in lowest terms, when the numerator and denominator have no common factors. For example, 1/2 is simplified, but 10/15 is not simplified. For a non-zero b, the reciprocal of b is the number that multiplies with b to produce the product 1. The reciprocal of b is denoted by 1/b. For example, the reciprocal of 5 is 1/5. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2, because 1/2 times 2 is 1. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. 0 has no reciprocal, because 0 times x is never equal to 1. An alternate definition of fraction states that a over b equals a times the reciprocal of b. This is also the formal algebraic definition of division. A divided by b equals a times the reciprocal of b. Division by 0 is undefined because, again, 0 has no reciprocal.